Hello guys, little update here. I was post a community post and wanted to make a little video. Basically what I did to my DIY battery charger, the 24 volt one, is I added a contactor and a 10 ohm inrush limiting resistor because it would occasionally trip the breaker. Because it's on a B, I should have used C or D, but I didn't have. It was not available at the time. Yeah, and I don't know if I was showed. I also added this ammeter that goes up to 40 amp. Yeah. Cooling fan is the same as last time, and now when you turn it on you hear a click of the contactor. Can you hear that? I hope you could hear that. And yeah, it's like 32 volts output, but that's because it's unloaded, and basically it's unloaded, right? It's unregulated unloaded. It's for charging a lead acid battery, so it's okay. Yeah, thanks for watching and see you soon again. Bye.